Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, we're going to talk about PesaTube. So what is it? Well, PesaTube presents itself as an online learning platform where users can supposedly make money by watching videos, liking content, and completing small online tasks. Some ads even claim you can earn big cash rewards quickly and easily. Well, the positive for this one, it's a free to sign up and the idea earning from simple online action sounds appealing. Some users say they were able to make small amounts when they first joined. But here's the red flags up here. Most of the platforms that says you're earning big with a small amount of time are usually not good. So promise easy money but don't deliver long term. Many reviews say payouts are either delayed, very small, or never arrive at all. So I did a quick search for this one, and as you can see, even without clicking it, everything is about scam. This is a trust pilot that about PesaTube and saying that it's a 1.6 out of 5. And here's gonna be the huge red flag for me. If I click on the Visa website, it will now direct me to a dead domain, meaning the website has been taken down. I was able to open this one a few months ago, but for now, it doesn't work at all. Here, as you can see, most reviews were let down by experience overall. Customers express widespread dissatisfaction, particularly concerning payments, so that's a huge red flag. So is it going to be legit? That's a big question, right? Well, to be honest, PesaTube is a questionable platform. Don't expect it to replace a real income and approach it with caution. Well, to be honest, it's already down for the website, so you really can use it. That being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.